Chris Stout here, back again sort of for a new season of working with my 2022 BMW RnineT option 719. And today what we're gonna do is add a little kind of, vent air intake, a little bit more customized kind of look to it. And actually, if you can't tell, this is actually just an open hole here. I can stick my whole hand down in it practically, quite a few fingers. So what I got was a kind of more of a baffle here. It's a very nice billet material. Not much to the unboxing. This was what it came in. And it came, this is my hex wrench, but it came with just this little kit that, to be honest, I worked on this last night and could not figure out how it goes on. So first things first, I will show how to take this whole outer piece off and then do this installation. It should be really pretty quick and straightforward. Okay, so I'm going to start with a Torx bit, and I'm going to take off these two bolts, and it's a Torx 25. So I'm gonna need two hands for that, but I'll be right back once this piece is off. So now I've taken those two little bolts out of there. This piece is now loose. The only thing holding it in now is kind of like a large clamp. You'll see in just a second. So I gently pull this off. I'm gonna do it with two hands. I'll be right back. So now that piece is off. This is the bare area. This is where the little clamp was, which is right here. So this piece just, again, unbolts right here, which is right here, with these two bolts. And then this part for the air intake is just a cover with a clamp on it. Next up is taking the new piece. Also, maybe in the notes, let me know, there's this bit that's gone, that's milled out. I thought maybe it was for where the clip to the cover would go, but it doesn't. It would be offset and make this cockeyed. So it's kind of a mystery to me. I am just going to arbitrarily put this side on the rider's side, and it just will fit. You'll see with this snorkel, there's a lip, and I'm just fitting it over that lip. I'm going to precisely do that with two hands, and then there are three little hex wrench screws that will be tightened. So it's now fitted just flush onto that. Nothing has been tightened yet. And I'm going to take my hex wrench and then go around the three sides where these are and tighten them up. Pretty straightforward. So this is a view from the back. I've tightened these little hex screws throughout. Just a simple little wrench that I had to do that. Did not come with the kit. And you can sort of tell, I think the video should get it, that you can see where the screws are. There's one, and there's one. The other one's a little out of view here. But I've just tightened those down to be able to have a gentle pressure on the snorkel to be able to keep it firmly on there. Next we'll be replacing this piece back on. Okay, this piece has now been fitted back on. There was the clip that you saw in the earlier piece that just pops back on over the snorkel, and then also covers this just a little bit, which makes for a very nice, tidy look, I think. This all fits back in place here. I just went ahead put those 2 bolts that I had taken off, put them back in. So now everything's all tight and snug, and it makes for a nice look, and then we'll show the finished product next. Okay, and here we are with the finished product. This is really a quick and easy addition. So I, again, used a Torx 25, tightened these, put the bolts back in, tighten them back up, just snug. And so this piece is all now back on, and instead of just sort of a plastic unseen air intake, we now have a little brighter, eye-catching, and a little protective, keeps some of the bigger bugs out of the air filter from going down. So I'm kind of being cautious about how much chrome or whatever other kind of bright bits I put in here, but this I thought just kind of needed it because it's all kind of dark in this area and provides a nice contrast, but not competition to some of the other silver of the bike, especially from this angle. So thanks very much for watching. More are going to be coming out this summer, and ride safe.